What is going on, everyone? In today's video, we are going to create a situation where we can actually mod the game now. So we've gotten all of the base stuff laid out. If you've been following along with our videos and our playlists, two important playlists are installing the game, and then my second playlist with about 30 videos on bringing your LSPDFR backup folder up to a very a basic package so that you can start from. So now we're going to enter some different territory here. We're going to be talking about creating a situation where you can mod safely. All right, so there's going to be a few things that we're going to be doing in this video. One, we're going to be installing an application, and two, we're going to be backing up some files in a weird way. We're not going to be backing them up traditionally. So what we're going to do is first we're going to, we got home, we're going to create a new folder in our GTA main folder, our game folder. So if you've been following along, you already know how to get to that. This is for the Steam. I don't know anything about the Epic version. If enough people will care about that version, maybe I'll get it and I should mess around with it and remake a lot of these videos using that version. But for now, Steam only. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create a mods folder. So we're going to do that. You can click Home, New Folder, or you can right-click in the buffer and go to New, and then Folder. So there's a few different ways to do that. We're going to do New Folder, name it Mods, and Enter. Boom. We'll delete it, and we'll do it this way as well. Right-click in that buffer, New Folder, New Folder. It's already set up, ready for you to name it. MODS, Mods, Enter. There you go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to back up some file folders that we have here. We're going to use Control Select. So we're going to need update. So let's take a look at these folders. They're chunky. 35.2 gigabytes. 64, x64 rather. 16.6 gigabytes in this state. We're gonna take those two. We're gonna keep holding was that Control. We're gonna go down. Whoops, no we're not. We're gonna let go of Control and we're gonna scroll down using the mouse. And we're going to go to x64. E as in echo. We're gonna hold down that Control. We're gonna select it. We're gonna let go of Control, and all three should be selected. What we're gonna do is we're gonna click on right-click on Update, and we're gonna go to Copy. We're gonna go inside the mods folder, right-click, paste, and it's gonna take all of those files, and it's gonna copy them over, and we'll do that. And the reason why we're doing that is to do mods, very simple mods, to modding cars or putting add-on cars into the game. All those cool like Chevy police cars and all those Lamborghinis and Bentleys and Porsches and things of that nature. In order for people to get those in the game, they are not editing the original files for their game. They have actually copied those files into their mods folder, and they're editing those files. And then those files get loaded into the game using an application that we are also going to install in this video. And I'll show you how to do that. So we are copying our files over. Speeds are pretty good. Can't complain until it starts to heat up. Then I'm pretty sure it'll start throttling. But for right now, we're making good time. So we get those all copied over. So for instance, if you do an add-on vehicle and there's files, you put those files in your game, it blows out the original files and you have that cool police car that you see Jeff Favignano with. Or if you've been following along in my older videos from my T5 drive, you see that we've added a bunch of packs and other custom cars into the game. To do that, you're replacing files for the most part. If you do add-ons, you have to add files and add entries. You don't want to do that to your original game file for many reasons. One, you want to be able to if your game gets broken from modding, easily be able to just delete your mods folder and then your game will work and you can start all over again. That's one way. Two, if you also happen to play LSPDFR and do mods and also play the legit vanilla game online, you can do that. You can mod and keep your game intact to be able to play online without getting banned. So that's another reason you want to do this. I don't play online, so I don't really care about that part. I just want to be able to mod the game, and if something goes wrong, I can back out or delete all my mods and start over if I get backed into a corner. So we have all our files copied, and those files will vary in length as copying as far depending on what kind of drive you have. We have a T7 solid state drive, so it's pretty fast. So let's go back. Now we are going to install a program called OpenIV or Open4. It is it's an ultimate modding tool for rage-based games such as Grand Theft Auto 5, Grand Theft Auto 4, Max Payne 3, and Red Dead Redemption 2. They recently updated this from 4.0 to 4.01, a minimal update that fixes a lot of little bugs, and that's here, all the little things that they fixed. Not a lot really affects us. I mean, it's for like deep modding, and it added a lot of support for Red Dead Redemption 2. So we're going to download that. And it's small file, small executable anyways. And for this one, since it's an executable, we can just right click and open it, and it'll launch the installer. Let me see if I can grab that and pull it up here. Boom. Let's close, minimize that. Minimize that. We'll have English, of course. We're not Russian. Next, and it's got an end user agreement. You can scroll down through there. EULA. Click accept. Continue. Install Open4 or OpenIV to this computer. Create a desktop icon. We can run it. And let's run it when we're done. Installation path. Download OpenIV for install on a separate computer. We don't need to do that. Continue. Download size. We'll agree. It's going to go ahead and install for us. And it is successful. Close out that bad boy. And what it's going to do is we're going to drag the menu up so you can see it. All right. So we're playing Grand Theft Auto 5 for Windows. So that's what we're going to select here. And then it's going to, sorry, I have to pull all these dialog boxes up for you because this isn't my main screen. Choose Grand Theft Auto V folder. So we can hit browse, and we're going to go up here. Boom. Go back to common, make sure we have our folder. It's right there. Select folder. Successfully. GTA 5 executable version. OpenIV can work with this file, and that's epic because that's what we want. Continue. Don't forget to back up your original files before editing. Continue. And it's going to search, encryption key. And you see we got the 4.0.1 Grand Theft Auto 5 for Windows. All right. See if we can, dang it. So it shows like a little video. It's like an ad. What's new? I'm going to hit no thanks on it. The window just doesn't format right. We can't get it on the screen. Sorry about that, but we can get this one. So this is it. This is it right here. What you want to do, edit mode. While in edit mode, all changes are automatically saved. Do you want to continue? Yes. All right. So when you hit edit mode, install plugin for GTA 5, you need to install the ASI loader in OpenIV .asi plugin for your GTA 5. Otherwise, game will not load modified RPF archives. Do not play GTA Online with modified RPFs or you will be banned. So it's letting you know. I don't play online, so I don't have to worry about that. Click on ASI Manager, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring up this menu here. You got the ASI loader installed already. We're good to go there. You've got two other options. Open IV ASI. This is an ASI plugin that allows your game to load modified RPF files like it stated before. And then you have Open Camera. You don't have to install this, but it allows you to get a lot more freedom as far as boundary limitations in the Rockstar editor. So you can do like cool screenshots and stuff. So we'll install both of those because it's good stuff. And click Close. All right. So also, I think we're good to go there. New folder. You can do all kinds of stuff. We're not really going to mess around with it too much just yet. Just wanted to get it installed and ready to go. Wanted to get the mods folder ready to roll so that you can do what we need to do. So like the audio, x64 is mostly audio stuff. The update is like the cars and the updates, the patch folders, all that good stuff. So this is all we're going to cover in this video. Keep watching for more videos on what we're going to do with this handy dandy tool. And I would like to thank you for checking out our videos, watching our playlist. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get updates when we upload videos. And like always, we'll see you on the next one.